Today we're running the RSPduo on a Raspberry Pi 4, and we're using the new dual tuner independent RX mode. And what that does is it permits you to tune each of the tuners to independent frequencies. And so here on channel 0, we've got it on AM.
For life, Father Frank Pavone, Father.
And over here on channel 0, we've got it tuned to FM. And so we're simultaneously tuning AM and FM stations. And then you can go on to tune them as you please. I mean, here's the 100 and go to narrowband FM. And so there's the simplest thing you can do in the dual tuner mode is you can just tune it to different frequencies. And I've got some examples of other more exotic things you can do. And you can do these things at the same time because you've got the dual tuner modes, but I typically do them one at a time just for making it simpler. Today, we're going to show what you can do with a RSPduo running in independent mode on a Raspberry Pi 4. Here's one of the possibilities that you can do. Here we've got the window channel 0 running in the foreground, and it's basically it's transmitting data to GNU AIS and GNU AIS GUI, which is tracking the ships here in the local harbor. And so, unfortunately, that has to have the it's doing it on the basis of the sound, so you have to turn the sound on in this particular case. But you turn the sound on, and then you can see here it picked up some the ship information. There, it's picking up some more ship information. And so it's picking up the ship's information on the ships in the harbor and showing it on the map. And you can see here it's doing the determination of the ship location, and it's running an FM station in the background. What we're doing now is we have the RSPduo, and it's running on the Raspberry Pi 4, and we're running an independent RX mode on the RSDuo. And here what we have is we're taking the 1090 data and spooling it off to the 1090 dump program. And so here you can see the 1090 dump program is giving us the location of the aircraft in the local area as they're flying around. And in this particular case, it's just printing out the information. It has options for spooling it onto other programs for doing, visual display on it too. And so here's another option that you can do with the RSPduo. And here the second window. It's just at the moment.
It's day, mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly sunny.
Running the weather channel. And so that's another thing you can do is you can just spool all the aircraft data to the screen or other places as it comes in. And so that was an example of what the RSPduo can do in dual tuner mode, independent RX, and using SDRGlut on the Raspberry Pi 4.